What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Dark Thoughts by Juice WRLD. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or else I'll double disco karate kick your face off. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new guitar, so if you want to find out how to enter to win, stick around to the end of the video, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play it. So this song is in standard tuning, and it's got 4 different chords that just repeat throughout the entire song. As always, if you need the guitar chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the video description. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. First chord you need to know is A minor. It's going to be middle finger 2nd fret D string, ring finger 2nd fret G string, index finger 1st fret B string. Then you need an F major. I'm doing F major 7, but you can do the bar chord F major here if you want. It's just easier, in my opinion, to go to F major 7. So the way that I'm playing it is your thumb on the 1st fret of the low E, your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the A, your pinky finger on the 3rd fret of the D, middle finger 2nd fret G, index finger 1st fret B string. Then we're going C major. It's going to be ring finger 3rd fret A, middle finger 2nd fret D, index finger 1st fret B. And then finally E minor. It's middle finger 2nd fret A, ring finger 2nd fret D. Once you get the chords down, you just need your strumming pattern. It's very simple. It's down, 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 up. Throughout every chord, it looks like down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 down. There you have it, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please click that like button. You can click here for how you can win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.